Welcome to my YouTube channel Turbo Ride TV, and today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the USA Luxury Motorhome 2026 model. This machine isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of freedom, comfort, and innovation. Whether you're planning long cross-country adventures or simply want a rolling luxury home that outshines anything else on the road, this 2026 model brings a whole new standard to the world of premium motorhomes. Let's jump right into what makes it such a masterpiece, starting with the exterior that grabs attention instantly. From the moment you approach the 2026 USA Luxury Motorhome, you can see how modern engineering blends with bold aesthetics. The front fascia has been redesigned with a wider and more aerodynamic grille, adaptive LED headlamps, and a sleeker wind-cheating profile that reduces drag on highways. The sculpted body doesn't just look impressive, it's built with lightweight reinforced composite panels that improve efficiency and enhance durability. The high ground clearance, paired with heavy-duty independent suspension and massive all-terrain tires, gives the motorhome an unstoppable presence, whether you're cruising city streets or taking the scenic route through rugged backroads. You also get full-length illuminated side steps, a streamlined roof rack with integrated solar panels, and power-extending awnings perfect for outdoor living. Every inch of this exterior has been crafted to make travel not only stylish but seriously practical. But the real magic happens when you step inside, because the interior of the 2026 model feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. The moment the door closes behind you, you're greeted by warm ambient lighting, handcrafted wooden accents, and ultra-soft premium leather seating. The cabin layout has been completely optimized this year to create more open space, allowing you to move freely while still enjoying the comforts of a full home. Front captain chairs swivel to face the lounge, creating a social hub. The lounge itself features a plush L-shaped sofa, a motorized dinette, and a hidden 65-inch 4K smart TV that lifts smoothly from the side panel. The kitchen rivals what you'd find in modern penthouses: solid surface countertops, a full residential fridge, induction cooktop, convection oven, dishwasher drawer, and deep stainless steel sink. As you move toward the rear, you'll find a spa-style bathroom with rainfall shower, heated floors, anti-fog mirrors, and premium fixtures. In the bedroom, a king-size memory foam bed with underlighting, dual wardrobes, wireless charging panels, and an automated climate zone that keeps your space perfectly comfortable no matter where you're parked. Every detail has been designed to elevate long-distance travel into a first-class experience. Now let's talk performance, because luxury is great, but this motorhome also needs to get you where you want to go. Under the hood, the 2026 USA Luxury Motorhome packs a powerful 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine paired with an advanced hybrid assist system. This upgraded powertrain delivers improved acceleration, smoother hill climbing, and better fuel efficiency than previous generations. The hybrid boost gives extra torque when needed, perfect for towing or climbing mountain passes. The 10-speed electronically controlled transmission makes shifting silky and responsive. With its reinforced chassis and adaptive suspension setup, the motorhome handles surprisingly well for its size, cornering feels predictable, and highway cruising is exceptionally stable. The optional off-road max package adds terrain response drive modes, locking differentials, and additional underbody protection, making it capable of venturing far beyond paved roads. Whether you're navigating tight urban spaces or winding through national parks, the 2026 model keeps the ride comfortable and controlled. Safety has taken a huge leap forward this year as well. The 2026 model includes a full suite of driver assist systems designed to make long trips easier and safer. You get 360-degree HD cameras, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capability, lane centering steering, blind spot monitoring for the full length of the vehicle, and crosswind stabilization to maintain control during strong gusts. Even more impressive is the emergency braking system, which uses upgraded radar and lidar sensors to detect obstacles earlier and react faster. There's also a fatigue detection system that monitors driving patterns and suggests brakes when needed, and a smart fire suppression system in the engine bay and kitchen area for added peace of mind. With safety tech like this, you can enjoy the journey without worrying about unpredictable road conditions. What truly sets the 2026 USA Luxury Motorhome apart, though, are its unique selling points. First, the hybrid assist powertrain is a game changer, offering power when you want it and efficiency when you need it. Second, the solar integrated roof system provides enough energy to power essential appliances off-grid for extended periods, making it ideal for remote adventures. Third, the new smart home integration system allows you to control lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even leveling functions using voice commands or your smartphone. You can set the mood, adjust comfort settings, or check battery levels just by speaking. And finally, the build quality is unmatched. Premium materials, advanced insulation, noise-reducing design, and hand-finished craftsmanship make this motorhome feel like a rolling luxury residence. As for price, the 2026 USA Luxury Motorhome starts around $480,000 for the base configuration, with fully loaded models reaching up to $620,000 depending on options like the Off-Road Max package, extended solar array, luxury interior upgrades, and entertainment enhancements. Yes, it's a serious investment, but considering the engineering, comfort, and technology packed into this vehicle, it's designed for travelers who want the absolute best and are ready to make every journey unforgettable. So, in conclusion, the USA Luxury Motorhome 2026 model takes the idea of road travel and elevates it to an entirely new level. It combines sophistication, rugged capability, intelligent systems, and a home-like interior in a way that few vehicles ever have. Whether you're exploring coastlines, mountains, or cityscapes, this motorhome offers a travel experience that's smooth, luxurious, and full of freedom. If you're looking for the ultimate blend of comfort and adventure, this model might just be your perfect companion on the road.